Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today we are making this moist and fudgy blondies, and that too in a microwave. If you hate chocolate and you're not a big fan of brownies, then this recipe is for you. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, take a microwave safe dish. I'm using a glass dish over here, and let's grease the dish with some melted butter. Make sure the sides are also well greased. Take a bowl and to this add 150 grams of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, using a whisk, let's mix the melted butter and brown sugar until they are well combined. Now add 2 eggs to the mixture. Gently whisk while adding 1 egg at a time. Let us mix well until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Okay, so you can see that our mixture is all smooth and fluffy. So let's add half tablespoon of vanilla essence, a pinch of salt to taste. Give everything a quick mix. Now add 1 2/3 cup of plain flour. So I'm going to add the flour in parts so that there will not be any sorts of lumps in the mixture. That's the first part, so let's mix until it's combined. Now let us add the second part of the flour. And finally add the third part of the flour. Alright, so you'll notice that our batter is starting to get all thick and it will be difficult to mix with a whisk. So let's remove the whisk and mix the batter using a spatula. To make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. Alright, so you can see that our batter is all nice and smooth and there are no lumps, so our batter is ready. So let's add half cup of white chocolate chips to the mixture. If you do not have white chocolate chip, you can use any regular white chocolate, just chop them up and add that to the batter. Our batter is ready, so let's transfer this to our prepared microwave safe dish. Now let's spread the batter using a spatula. Make sure the batter is all nice and even, and let's gently tap the dish to remove any air pockets. Okay, so this is completely optional, but I'm going to take some extra white chocolate chips and I'm going to sprinkle all over the blondie batter. Okay, so let us microwave the blondies for 5 minutes. Everybody's microwave will vary depending upon the power consumption. So my microwave is 1400 watts and it took 5 minutes for me to bake a fudgy blondie. So the blondie is cooked, so you will know it's ready when you touch the top and it is firm on the top. Let the blondie be completely cooled and let's cut them into squares. I have garnished again with extra white chocolate chip. Serve them with ice cream or as it is. It is so good, guys. It has a butterscotchy taste and it's amazing. Do try them out, guys, and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with a new Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.